Hello everyone. Today I'm coming to you from the DoubleTree Hotel in Buenos Aires. This is the one on Reconquista. Okay, as you enter the room, before I even enter the room, they gave me a cookie at reception and it's still a little bit warm. Okay, so now I'm gonna enter the room. On one side, I've got a closet. With a little basket at the bottom. It's got shelving. Let's see, another one. Shelving, a safe, drawers at the bottom. Okay. On this side, I've got a full-length mirror right behind the door. As I enter, I have a desk with a flat screen, and then kind of like attached to it off to the side is a round table. I have like a side table that's also round. Turn to this side, a seating area. Turn to this side, I've got drawers. Let's see, let me put my cookie down. What else have I got here? Oh, a little mini bar, some snacks, your coffee tea station, and then let's see, just drawers on this side. Just a couple of drawers. Okay. So we requested a room with 2 beds. These are the 2 beds. And then here is the bathroom. In the bathroom, we've got a tub, some towels, artwork, and a full wall of mirrors. We've got a sink, cups, I guess soap, hand soap. You've got a magnifying mirror. You've got some Q-tips, nail file, shower cap, bar soap. I don't know what that blue thing is. Towel, little trash can, and then a doorway to a toilet, bidet, and I'm guessing from the feel of it, that's a hairdryer hanging in there. Okay. And then on this side of the glass door, you have the shower. You have a rain shower head and your usual shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Okay, and the controls are right here, so you don't have to step into the shower. You could turn on the controls before you actually step in. Okay, so again, let me come back out into the bedroom. We're only on the 3rd floor, which in European terms, like, well, in Buenos Aires, this means it's the 4th floor for us Americans. So they have a ground floor, 1st floor, 2nd floor, and we're on the 3rd floor. And you can look out, they're setting up for something. The view is not particularly beautiful. It's of the building across the street. But down here, I'm guessing this is part of the hotel. They're setting up for something, some event, or maybe it's just an evening thing. Okay. And we're Diamond members, so we have 2 bottles of free water. And what is this? Chocolates, maybe? It looks like it might be chocolates that they gave us. Okay, that's the complete tour. Again, coming to you from the DoubleTree in Buenos Aires. See you next time.